Hello my lovelies, welcome back to the internet. You've got to be careful what you wish for on here, but you never know what you're going to get, but you're safe now, you're safe, you're with me, you're safe. So let's do, I'm going to talk you through a little shape today that I like to do. You'll find it turning up fractally throughout my artwork. It resembles a camera shutter, which is actually called a diaphragm shutter. It's not strictly one of those, but it does really look like one, and there's a way you can make it look even more like one if you want to. So you're gonna need a compass. I say need one. If you haven't got one, you can just draw around something. I don't know, gaffer tape. Why not? And if you're gonna buy yourself a compass, if you don't have one, or just quickly before I start, get a windy one. Get a little windy one like this. Let's draw this geezer in because he's a handsome chap, I think. Get a windy one because they're a little bit more expensive, but the ones that are just resting on a hinge here, they're gonna screw you over, right? They're gonna ruin your work. Okay, get one of these. This is also a universal one. It's got a nice big aperture. Oh, nice. Getting a little crossover on the diction there. So you can get a pencil in there, and then you can also, as I'm going to do, you can just widen it a bit and get yourself a pen in there as well, which is a lot of fun, let me tell you. So I'm going to do this in pen because I'll be honest with you, this is take 2, and I tried to do it in pencil and you can't bloody see it. So I've already got a centre point here that you can't see. And first I'm just going to check my focus. Have we focused on the page there? Yeah, there we go. Crisp. Cool. And I'm not going to do it very big. And this is a nice ball point, so it's nice to do a circle. Nice to do a circle in a pen. Around we go. Always leaning back if you can, and you're going again, slightly leaning forward with the pen. Can you hear my butthole clenching? And then just lightly bring it round. Splendid. Lovely. There we go. Let's zoom you in a little bit. Oh, God, this sticky camera's probably getting on your nerves as well as mine. There she is. Okay. I don't know about you, but my mind just explodes when I see a circle on a page. I just want to mess with it. Okay. So I'm going to take my nice straight edge. Take my set square. Get my pencil. And I'm just going to identify where that centre point is a bit more vividly. And I'm going to grab a centre line first. There we go. Oh God, that's so satisfying. Oh. And then just perpendicular to that, again the set square coming in handy here. I'm just using the straight line that's on there to get this perpendicular. Pow. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get my pen back for starters. Just extract him. Now, starting with one of these on your edge, move your ruler up to the edge of the circle. Get your pen on the very edge of the circle, and just in one direction, doesn't matter which, pull it out. It's about 6 centimeters, but obviously it's entirely up to you, that part. And then turning it round. I like to turn it round. I like to turn it round. We're going to go and grab one on the other side. Lovely. And you can see now we're already getting something, a little something here. Okay, something fun. Bring it out a little bit. And then, you guessed it, grab your next one. And this is what's fun about this, because you just go round and round. You can do it as many times as you like. Nice. Keep it going. Keep it going, son. Don't stop now. Right on the edge of the circle. Out T6. Or whatever you want. And now already we're getting this nice sort of cycloidal shape. Oh, why don't we carry on? Pencil back. So that pen's dry. And just bisect it again. You could bisect it properly using a compass, but that's for another video or a geometry class. And I'm just going to do this quickly for you. I'm going to take them out over the edge of the circle as well, because it's easier to do it that way. And then we'll take this time the 8s. That's your 6. Sweet. On we go. This one's a bit wonky, but this is showbiz, man. And we're just missing that one. And there we go. And now you've got yourself a real pretty shape to mess around with. Now, what you can do is you can, with a pencil obviously, prior preparation and planning, take these lines out to the next one, okay, and out to the next one, like that. And then when you rub the circle out, you'll have a nice little perfect octagon, which is actually, if you zoom in on a diaphragm, you can see that little straight edge shape being formed. And obviously you can just rub the pencil out here. And it also, I think, creates a kind of sense of perspective. And the more lines you do, the better that illusion is. I'll take you on a little gallery trip to where I used one of these once, and it looked okay actually. Yeah, here we go. Done a real big one here. See him there? And I've just been real lazy and used it as a background, really. And so what's this one? This is a beast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that's a 16 sider. So that's twice as complex as the one we just did. And then I've just got my compass, done another circle, bigger circle, steadily bigger on the way out, and then you get even more of a perspective, and it's starting to look a bit like the intro to James Bond. In a real diaphragm shutter, these lines are actually curved, right? But this is something that you can either do freehand, or you could be setting up a couple of compasses to do it. And maybe I'll do another video of it. I'll try and find you where I've done. Oh, look, perfect. Next page. You can see on the wheel of the Diablo there, I've done another one, and that's giving the wheel a forward motion without even having to bother, to be honest. And then somewhere else I like to use them is in their actual application. If I can find it. I think it might be at the back. Do yourself a favour, guys, and just decide on a direction to go through your book, because I've come at it from every single angle, and y'all don't want to be dicking about like me. Here we go. This one's at an angle, right in his eye there. Check it. That's freehand with curved lines, and that's created a nice camera lens there. Nice, brother. So that is about it for tonight. If I can find the piece of paper I've actually done it on. Hey Al, organise yourself, huh? This is not an excuse for me to show you my artwork, I promise you. Oh yeah, I remember. La 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 la. Cool. So there you go. The diaphragm shutter effect. Not so bad, eh? Enjoy yourself, guys, and let me know what you think. Maybe you want to show me what you want to do with this or what you think. And remember, the Germans were the goodies in World War One. Take it easy, guys.